Cagliari. Good morning.
Oh, hi, good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So,
I'm Danica Cornelio.
yes, nice to meet you.
I'm second year college student from WCC Caloocan campus. I'm here to conduct an interview about the issue of climate change for the sake of my research study. So, ma'am, may I have your time to be my interviewee and to answer my questions?
Yes, it's my pleasure.
So, can we start?
Yes, we can.
My first question is, at this present, do you think climate change affects a lot in our daily lives and how?
Yes, because many of our children can easily acquire diseases because of this problem.
So, what we need to do to stop this kind of problem?
The only thing that we can do is don't throw garbages and we should plant trees. And of course, protect our natural resources at the same time.
Okay ma'am, in your own opinion, or what is the number one reason why we have this kind of problem and why?
My answer was those people who have lack of discipline because they don't respect and care for the Mother Earth. Then they always cut trees and they throw garbages in an improper way that may due to a negative results like floods and landslides.
So, for you ma'am, can you change what's happening about climate change today?
Yes, we can.
In what way ma'am?
We can change this through a step-by-step process or by showing and teach people on how to love and respect our environment.
My last question is, in your own way, as a climatologist, what are the things that you can do to avoid or to stop climate change?
As a person who knows about this problem, I think I do organize a programs or an activities for all regarding on how to stop climate change or how to prevent it.
Okay, that's all. Thank you so much, ma'am, for allowing to make you as my interviewee and to be part of my research study.
So, you're welcome. So, I'm glad that I helped you.
I am not the kind of girl who should be rudely barging in on a white veil occasion, but you are not the kind of boy who should be